This here is our worm farms, and I've built a bit of a shade thing over the top of them so that they're never in the full sun, even during summer when the sun changes direction, because you don't want to cook them. So inside our worm farm is like this, and it doesn't smell at all. Shouldn't smell at all, and you can see it's just thick of worms. Have a look at the worms in there. Really good worms. This is great on the garden, this stuff. Yeah, really good. You also get the worm juice from the bottom when you put water through it, which we collect. It's nice to air it out a little bit, and we get our kitchen scraps. We keep them inside in bread bags. And worms, like most things, just keep away from sort of the citrus stuff, and but yeah, certainly put all our veggie scraps and things on like that. They like a bit of cardboard as well, which keeps them dry. Bit of dirt as well. There we go. That shouldn't ever smell. If it does, then maybe you need a bit of straw or hay just to dry it out a little bit. But yeah, a bit of airing like this. But that'll probably soon for a few weeks. Although they can get hungry at different times of the year. Just put the lid back on. And that one's done. I've just got to do the other one now.